Hi, to factory reset your Marshall Monitor III A.N.C. As a first step, I'm just gonna explain to you what does the factory reset means. So this means that they will be resetting to their factory default, which means that they will disconnect from the phone and from the app, and you will need to set it up them again. If you want to perform factory reset, then take your headphones and take a look at each of the earpiece. Here you'll find this M button and ANC button. M button is located on the right earpiece and ANC on the left. So, to perform factory reset, we will need to hold those buttons for about 5 seconds till this indicator near the charging port will light up purple. So let's try this out. I'm gonna hold those two buttons. And now it is purple, so we can just release the buttons. And as you can see, this indicator now blinks blue, which means that they are ready to be paired and the factory reset was performed correctly. So after that, we will need to take our phone, go in its settings, here visit your Bluetooth list, and you will need to forget your Monitor III A.N.C device. For that, just tap the info icon. Here select forget device and confirm. After that, as I said before, they are ready to be paired, so we just need to simply turn off Bluetooth, wait a couple of seconds, turn it on again, and find our Monitor III A.N.C in the list of other devices. Now tap it to select, and that's it. Now they will be reconnected with the phone again. And as for an app, visit this Marshall Bluetooth app. Here you should select to remove device and forget it after factory reset. And then simply remove the app from your recents. Visit it again. Here click the button add new device. And it found our device, so just tap add button. Here skip those instructions and tap get started. And now your headphones would be reconnected with an app. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.